Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. So the question is, among the following, the correct order of acidity is. So basically we are going to find the correct order of acidity in this question. Okay, so these are the oxy acids of halogens. Okay, these are the oxy acids of halogen, and the acidity of oxy acids of halogens depends on actually on the oxidation number or state of central atom, or we can say that oxidation number of halogen. Okay, basically it is directly proportional to the oxidation number of halogens. Okay, so in this case, first of all, to find the oxidation state of chlorine, or chlorine is the halogen present in this oxy acids. So chlorine, oxidation state of chlorine tells us about the acidity order. So first we have HClO3. Okay, so in HClO3, the oxidation state we are going to find, it is +1 and X and -2. Okay, now there is one hydrogen and the oxidation state is +1 plus X plus -2 is the oxidation state of oxygen, and there are 3 oxygen, and is equals to 0. So from here we have 1 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. That means the oxidation state of chlorine is here +5. Okay, so in HClO3 the oxidation state is +5. Okay, now move on to the second, that is HClO4. Okay, so again we have +1 X and -2. Now +1 plus X -2 into 4, that is -8, is equal to 0. From here -8 plus 1, that is -7, then X is equal to +7. So basic oxidation state of chlorine here is +7. Okay, now in third one, that is HClO2. Okay, so the oxidation state of chlorine here is +1 plus X -2 into 2, that is -4, is equal to 0. So -4 and +1, that is -3. That means X is equal to +3. So the oxidation state of chlorine in HClO2 is +3. Okay, and the fourth one is HClO. Okay, so now find out the oxidation state. So +1 for hydrogen plus X -2 is equal to 0. So basically here -2 and +1 -1, that means X is equal to +1. So the oxidation state of chlorine in HClO is +1. Now arrange these compound with the oxidation number. Okay, increasing oxidation number. So the greatest oxidation number shown by HClO4, that means the minimum shown by HClO. So first HClO, and then there is +3 in HClO2 and 4. Okay, so basically this is the order of increasing oxidation state of chlorine. Okay, and as I already told you, the acidity of oxy acids of halogen is directly proportional to the oxidation number of halogen. So this is also the order for acidity of oxy acids of halogen. So according to this, our most appropriate answer is, or option is, option number 2. Okay, I hope you understand the question. Thank you.